Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to troubleshoot why your Arlo camera might not be connecting to the internet. If you're having connectivity issues, stay tuned. We'll go through some common solutions that should get your camera back online in no time. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is working. Check if other devices in your home are connected to the internet. If they aren't, you might have a wider internet issue. Try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. If your internet connection is stable, the next step is to reboot your Arlo camera. Remove the battery, wait for about 10 seconds, then reinsert it. Allow a few moments for the camera to fully reboot and attempt to reconnect to your network. Next, let's check your Wi-Fi network settings. Open the Arlo app on your smartphone, go to the Settings menu, and ensure that your camera is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network, as many Arlo cameras do not support 5 GHz networks. Connectivity issues can sometimes be caused by outdated firmware. Open the Arlo app and navigate to your camera settings to check for available firmware updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it for optimal performance. If none of the previous steps worked, you might need to reset your Arlo camera to factory settings. Locate the reset button on your camera, press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking amber. Next, complete the setup process in the Arlo app to reconnect your camera. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring all steps are completed for a successful re-establishment of your camera's connection.